Hello and welcome back to English Station, where we bring you real-life narratives to improve your English skills while exploring fascinating topics. Today, we're diving into the story of Hollywood, the glamorous world of movies, fame, and fortune. Introduction: The Magic of Hollywood. Welcome to the world where dreams are made, stories come to life, and stars are born. Hollywood. Nestled in the heart of Los Angeles, California, Hollywood is more than just a place. It's a symbol of imagination, creativity, and the power of storytelling. For over a century, Hollywood has shaped global culture, defined entertainment, and inspired millions around the world. In this video, we'll take a journey through the Golden Gates of Hollywood, exploring its rich history, the rise of the film industry, iconic studios, the impact of the Oscars, the cultural influence of cinema, and the modern digital revolution reshaping the silver screen. Whether you're an English learner, a movie lover, or just curious about the entertainment capital of the world, you're in the right place. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's dive into the fascinating story of Hollywood, where fantasy meets reality and anything feels possible. Part 1. The Birth of Hollywood. Our journey begins in the early 1900s, when Hollywood was nothing more than a small farming community. But it didn't take long for the magic to begin. In 1910, the first film studio was built in Hollywood, and soon after, the region became the epicenter for filmmakers looking for the perfect setting to bring their stories to life. At the time, the film industry was still in its infancy, and Los Angeles offered the perfect conditions: sunny weather, diverse landscapes, and, most importantly, cheap land. These advantages allowed filmmakers to escape the limitations of the East Coast and the expensive production costs in New York. And so, Hollywood was born. In 1911, the first Hollywood film studio, Nestor Studio, opened its doors, marking the beginning of Hollywood's transformation into a major film hub. Over the next few years, other studios followed suit, and soon enough, Hollywood was home to some of the most influential names in the entertainment industry, like Charlie Chaplin, Mary Pickford, and Douglas Fairbanks. Part 2. The Golden Age of Hollywood. Fast forward to the 1930s and 1940s, and Hollywood entered what is known as the Golden Age. This was the era when the studio system was at its peak, and major studios like MGM, Warner Brothers, and Paramount controlled almost every aspect of filmmaking, from production to distribution. During this time, Hollywood produced some of the most iconic films of all time, with classics like Gone with the Wind, 1939, Casablanca, 1942, and The Wizard of Oz, 1939, capturing the hearts of audiences worldwide. These films set the standard for filmmaking, combining elaborate sets, star-studded casts, and groundbreaking special effects for the time. The Golden Age was also marked by the emergence of legendary actors and actresses such as Humphrey Bogart, Ingrid Bergman, and Katharine Hepburn, who became household names and symbols of Hollywood's glamour. The 1930s and 40s also saw the introduction of color films, adding a whole new dimension to the cinematic experience. Part 3. The Oscars. Hollywood's biggest night. No discussion about Hollywood would be complete without mentioning the Academy Awards, or the Oscars, the ultimate symbol of recognition in the film industry. First held in 1929, the Oscars quickly became an annual tradition, celebrating the best in filmmaking, acting, directing, and more. The Oscars are often referred to as the highest honor in cinema, and winning an Academy Award can transform an actor or filmmaker's career overnight. Throughout Hollywood's history, the Oscars have played a pivotal role in elevating the careers of stars and spotlighting groundbreaking films. But beyond the awards themselves, the Oscars have become a cultural event, attracting millions of viewers worldwide, not just for the winners, but for the glamorous red carpet, emotional speeches, and unforgettable moments that have become part of Hollywood lore. Part 4, Hollywood's Cultural Influence. Hollywood isn't just about movies, it's about culture. For decades, Hollywood has had an undeniable influence on global culture, from shaping fashion trends to setting societal norms. The power of Hollywood movies extends beyond the screen, affecting everything from politics to social issues, and often reflecting the societal changes happening in the world. Movies like Star Wars 1977 and The Godfather 1972 have created lasting legacies, influencing not just other films, but also pop culture, music, and even language. Hollywood has provided a platform for stories that transcend borders, offering a glimpse into the lives, struggles, and dreams of people from all walks of life. It's also important to recognize how Hollywood has evolved to be more inclusive. In recent years, films like Black Panther 2018, Parasite 2019, and Crazy Rich Asians 2018 have helped diversify the kinds of stories told on the big screen, leading to a more global and inclusive representation of different cultures. Part 5, The Digital Revolution and Hollywood's Future. As we move into the 21st century, Hollywood is facing a new era, the digital revolution. The rise of streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Disney Plus has changed the way we consume films and TV shows. Today, a movie doesn't have to be released in theaters to reach millions of viewers worldwide. It can be streamed right from the comfort of our homes. This digital shift is reshaping the film industry in profound ways. Filmmakers are now experimenting with new technologies, such as virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, to create immersive experiences that push the boundaries of storytelling. Visual effects have advanced to the point where almost anything is possible, from creating entire worlds to bringing characters to life in ways never before imagined. But Hollywood's story isn't just about technology, it's about the stories. The digital age has opened up new opportunities for filmmakers to tell stories that are more diverse, inclusive, and innovative than ever before. The future of Hollywood lies in the hands of a new generation of storytellers, ready to take the industry to new heights. Conclusion: Hollywood, the heartbeat of cinema. From its humble beginnings to becoming the center of the global entertainment industry, Hollywood has proven time and time again that it's not just a place, it's a force that shapes culture, inspires creativity, and brings people together through the magic of film. Whether you're a longtime movie lover, an aspiring filmmaker, or simply someone who loves a good story, Hollywood remains the heartbeat of cinema. It's a place where anything is possible, and the stories we tell continue to captivate audiences around the world. So, the next time you watch a film, remember the history and magic behind Hollywood, a place where dreams are made, stars are born, and stories come to life. Thank you for listening to today's story. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to Like this video. Subscribe to our channel, English Station. Turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. Until next time, keep learning, keep dreaming, and keep shining.